Do you need a better way to stretch your hip flexors? And did you know that how you positioned your pelvis could make all of the difference in the stretch and where you feel it? Follow me through this video and I promise you, you will not miss a single important detail on how to get the most out of the couch stretch. For the couch stretch, you don't actually need to use a couch. I'm going to use a bench. I'm also placing a cushion underneath my knee, so that way it's not pushing hard into the floor. I'm going to start by placing my left foot up on this bench and letting my knee just rest on the cushion. So what we see that goes most wrong most of the time is people will overly arch from their low back and rotate their pelvis to bring themselves upright. Now when I'm doing this, I'm getting a little bit of stretch out of my quad and my hip flexors, but I'm not getting all hip flexor because I'm losing it when I arch. What you need to do is scoot your pelvis underneath you, squeeze your butt, rock your pelvis so that way you have a little bit more of a posterior tilt, and then begin to lean backwards. If I just allow myself to arch big, I can sit my glute all the way back towards my heel, but I can't actually do that if I keep my spine neutral and my pelvis rotated posteriorly, or again, I just think about squeezing my glutes so that way my hips are fully contracted and my back stays nice and neutral. You're gonna hold this stretch for about 30 seconds on each side. You can hold a little longer if you want to.